So in this video I'm going to demonstrate on how to integrate Clover Station Pro, or this can be done with any Clover device actually, and integrating these Clover with label printing scale. And these label printing scale, they have the capability to print what we call price embedded barcodes, or sometimes weight embedded barcodes. So let me first quickly demonstrate what I mean by those barcodes. So I have a scale there that is capable of producing what looks like a weight embedded barcode. Okay, and the reason why I say that this is a weight embedded barcode is because, as you can see, 0.48 ounces is embedded right there in the barcode. Towards the end you can see 0.48 in a barcode. And so because we're demonstrating on how to utilize price embedded barcodes, the first thing I'm going to do on that scale is switch the scale to price embedded barcodes. And now don't ever try this without a manual or somebody who knows what they're doing. Print, nope, not print. Then we're gonna go to 4. And we're gonna go to 4 again, 12. Price one is gonna be on 1. Print, cancel. Alright, so I believe we're done. Let's just go ahead and generate that same label again. Alright, so it appears to be the same label, but now you can see that 7.75 is embedded in the barcode, 775. And that makes this barcode and that label printing scale a price embedded barcode. So let me show you this label while I log myself into my super secure Clover test account. And so here we are, we're on Clover now, and the next requirement that you have to have, aside from label, that produces a price embedded barcodes, is a barcode scanner that you have to get this from Clover. Don't buy the same model from Amazon, because that'll just function as a keyboard on Clover rather than a fully functional barcode scanner. Only if you get this barcode scanner from Clover will it fully function as a barcode scanner and therefore work with these complicated barcodes. All right, so there is that. Now, to get started, we want to make sure that we have an app called Variable Price Barcode Parser. And at this point, why don't I zoom in a little, like so. In fact, even more. All right, so we have this app. It's called Variable Price Barcode Parser, and mine says that the configuration is complete and that app is ready for use. So if yours doesn't say that, this is what it would look like. So let me go ahead and turn it off real quick. All right, stop. Okay. So if you first install the app, this is what it would look like. It would give you this message in red with instructions on how to turn this app on to get it configured, and it would be exactly what I just did. So let's go ahead and do it again. I'm gonna go to an app called Settings, right? And in Settings, I'm navigating to Accessibility. And in Accessibility, I have Variable Price Barcode Parser, and I want to make sure that it's turned on. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and allow, and it's going to use our passcode, which again, I'm going to do this while I do this. It's like a magic trick. There it is. So now it's turned on, and once it's turned on, you'd see that it tells you configuration is complete and app is ready for use. The next thing we want to make sure is go to this menu here and then navigate to Settings. And we're looking for barcode type settings. And in the barcode type settings, there are two options. You have the one that goes up to $99.99 and the one that goes over $100. I know this barcode to be the one that's up to $99.99, so we're just gonna keep it this way and save. All right. So this is basically all we have to do with configuration. The rest of the steps have to do with item setup. And for item, we're going to use Clover app. It's called inventory. This is no native Clover app. And in this inventory app, we're going to, so how do we use these as a product code? So this particular product code is going to be 2 followed by 3 zeros and then 5 9, 6 digits, the first 6 digits. And first we're going to check if we have it. 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 9. We don't have it. So let's go ahead and add this now item. Like so. We're going to make this item variable, and the product code is going to be the first 6 digits that we see minus the 0, because the first 0 doesn't get scanned. So it's going to be 2 followed by 3 zeros, 5 9. 2, 1, 2, 3, 5 9. Makes it a total of 6 digits. I'm going to go ahead and save this. There's our item, and that's pretty much done. So I had some transaction here that I'm going to finish, and we're going to say we're done with that. And so now here we are on a new order, and what I'm going to do is just scan this item, and I'm going to get my tenderloins, 775, 775. And if we were to increase the weight on our tenderloins like so, and print